In the realm of modern woodworking, few projects strike the balance between function, aesthetics, and innovation as beautifully as the modern wall shelf with hidden storage. This project isn't merely about building a place to display objects. It is a testament to the evolving philosophy of home design, where utility, minimalism, and beauty must coexist seamlessly. For woodworking enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals alike, crafting such an item carries deeper meaning. It offers not only a gratifying creative challenge, but also an opportunity to tap into a growing market for stylish and space-saving furniture, making it a promising endeavor for both personal fulfillment and income generation. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of modern wall shelf with hidden storage woodworking project ideas. The modern wall shelf with hidden storage represents a new wave of design thinking, one that caters to a lifestyle increasingly defined by small space living, urbanization, and intentional home curation. As more people transition to compact apartments or minimalist interiors, every inch of available space becomes precious. Traditional storage solutions often consume too much room or clash with modern aesthetics. Here lies the value of a concealed storage wall shelf. It blends into its environment while silently offering clever organization solutions. It is quite literally a functional secret. From a creative perspective, designing and crafting such a shelf pushes a woodworker to think beyond the ordinary. It's not just about crafting a flat plank with brackets. It's about integrating compartments, hinges, or even sliding panels that vanish from sight when not in use. This balance of craftsmanship and ingenuity is what makes the project so satisfying. It requires thoughtful measurements, precision joinery, and a deep understanding of both form and function. For beginners, it's a gateway to more advanced builds. For experience makers, it's an opportunity to elevate their craft and experiment with design innovation. But beyond the workshop, the impact of this project extends into real living spaces. Imagine a sleek floating shelf mounted above a desk or entryway that opens to reveal a hidden compartment for keys, documents, or valuables. The user experiences a moment of surprise and satisfaction every time they interact with it, proof that design doesn't have to be obvious to be impactful. In this way, the modern wall shelf becomes more than decor. It becomes an experience, one that adds subtle luxury and intelligent design to everyday life. This experiential quality is what makes these shelves particularly marketable. In the world of online selling, on platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or local artisan markets, buyers are constantly seeking pieces that stand out. A standard wall shelf may be useful, but a modern shelf with hidden storage invites curiosity. It carries a story. It answers a problem the buyer may not have known they had. And in a world increasingly driven by social media and influencer-led design inspiration, such unique pieces are more likely to be shared, tagged, and talked about, creating organic marketing for the woodworker behind it. Moreover, these shelves cater to diverse interior styles. Whether the finish is a natural oak for Scandinavian minimalism, painted black for industrial lofts, or stained walnut for mid-century modern homes, the core design remains adaptable. This flexibility allows woodworkers to tailor their creations to different customer preferences, price points, or decor trends, which is vital for anyone aiming to turn their craft into a consistent income stream. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. And there's another layer of significance here. The shelf, with its hidden storage, reflects a shift in consumer psychology. In a world saturated with visible consumption, people are increasingly drawn to items that offer privacy, security, and understated elegance. A product that helps homeowners subtly organize, hide clutter, or protect valuable items becomes inherently valuable. As such, the market for this kind of woodwork is not only stylistically trendy, but emotionally resonant. It satisfies both aesthetic desires and psychological needs, a rare and powerful combination. For the woodworker seeking to grow a brand or small business, the modern wall shelf is an ideal product to develop. It allows for customization, which adds to its perceived value. A buyer might request custom dimensions, a personalized engraving inside the hidden compartment, or even a lockable feature. Each of these options represents an upsell opportunity and a deeper relationship with the customer. This project can easily transition from a one-off design into a scalable product line that includes variations in size, color, finish, and storage mechanisms. The act of building these shelves also encourages sustainable practices, something increasingly important to today's buyers. Because they can be built from reclaimed or off-cut wood, even small workshops can repurpose material efficiently. Highlighting the eco-friendly nature of your process or product adds yet another layer of market appeal. Many customers are actively seeking handmade, sustainable, and ethically crafted home goods. By positioning the shelf not only as stylish and functional, but also environmentally responsible, the woodworker can connect with a more conscious customer base. And of course, there's the personal reward. Creating something that people interact with every day in their homes, something that hides their treasures, keeps their space clean, or simply makes them smile, is a deeply fulfilling act. It goes beyond income. It becomes legacy. It transforms a few planks of wood into a conversation piece, a trusted fixture, perhaps even a family heirloom. There is great dignity in that kind of craftsmanship. The significance of building a modern wall shelf with hidden storage goes far beyond its immediate utility. It represents a confluence of intelligent design, user-centered thinking, market awareness, and emotional impact. For woodworkers, whether hobbyists seeking joy or entrepreneurs chasing growth, this project is a perfect blend of challenge and opportunity. It's proof that the most powerful creations are not always the largest or most complex. Sometimes, it's the small, thoughtful pieces, the ones that surprise and serve, that leave the greatest mark. And in that lies the beauty of woodworking. The ability to shape wood into something that quietly but profoundly changes the way people live. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked modern wall shelf with Hidden Storage Woodworking Project. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.